Oh.
She needs to go backwards that fast, cover her back up. She looks like she's half white, half black.
Ask Joey what I hold on with. I have my toes, my legs,
You have to like a
everything.
horse, man.
I got my...
When we went over that big hill and come down, hey, you couldn't get her off. If I was a horse, man, I'd bust her off.
No, you wouldn't have. I was strapped down like a saddle.
If he's going, I'm going.
I know, my toes were so tight.
You know, it would be no problem. And it wasn't no problem over there. But with this extra weight on the front, you know, when you're going up, I had to stop, back down, and then stand up.
She goes, look at my teeth!
Little dirt road. Oh.
Too nice!
Thanks, that was fun.
Maybe you need to go down there and wash off.
Is my mascara running?
No, you can't even see it. Give him a big hug.
I know.
Yeah, I'll kick your ass. I'll kick your ass.
You can't tell what mascara is. Look at her face, yours looks the same way.
That's bad.
In my eye.
My cock what?
Three things. Okay, that was fun though. Oh, okay.
You might as well do it again before you get clean.
I think that scared her.
Hey, once I start, I just go and do it.
Alright, no more. This is enough evidence.
Big smile.
Can you see the eyes and teeth?
I've always
Kiki, what happened?
you know what I'll tell her?
Alright, I'm camouflaged. Alright, I'm gonna make you wipe off now.
Keep on